One of Indonesia's signature culinary delights, whose taste and deliciousness have become renowned internationally, is satay. Generally, satay is made from pieces of meat, skewered on satay sticks, and grilled over an open flame. The tradition of serving satay also has a long history, influenced by the arrival of foreigners in Indonesia. The history of satay in the archipelago began in the 19th century with the arrival of Muslim traders from Tamil and Gujarat. The term satay is believed to have originated from the Tamil word katai, meaning meat. These newcomers introduced grilled meat dishes known as kebabs, transforming the local meat preparation, which was primarily boiling. Satay cuisine has continued to evolve with authentic variations in each region. Different areas in Indonesia are known for their unique satay dishes, including distinct ingredients, seasonings, preparation methods, and presentation styles. Here are various types of distinctive Indonesian satay and their respective regions. Padang satay, a culinary dish from Minang, particularly in the Pariaman and Padang Panjang regions. Padang satay, made from beef, tongue, or offal, is characterized by richly spiced seasoning with a hint of spiciness. Clam satay, a specialty from Medan, North Sumatra, often found in local eateries. Clam satay features spiced seasoning with a taste resembling rendang. Large, savory, and tender clams with a slightly spicy flavor make it a popular choice, sometimes purchased as a souvenir by tourists after visiting Medan. Marangi satay, a satay dish from West Java, specifically in the Purwakarta region. Marangi satay is made from beef or goat meat, seasoned with coriander, shallots, garlic, salt, and soy sauce. Grilled over charcoal, it is served with pickles, tomato sambal, or oncom sambal, along with rice. Rabbit satay, a satay dish from Central Java, found in Tawangmangu and Banyumas. Rabbit satay is similar to chicken satay, served with rice cakes and sweet, savory peanut sauce. Rabbit meat has a chewier texture compared to chicken and is known for being low in fat, making it suitable for those with diabetes. Kari satay, a satay dish found in Solo and Yogyakarta, named kere, meaning poor, as it was originally made by people who couldn't afford meat. In Yogyakarta, kare satay is made with offal or beef fat, emitting a delightful aroma when grilled. In Solo, it is often made from tempeh or jembus, seasoned before grilling. Ambal satay, a satay cuisine from the Pansela route, specifically from Ambal Resmi village, Ambal sub-district, Kebumen Regency, Central Java. Its uniqueness lies in the processing method and peanut sauce used. Chicken meat is marinated with spices before grilling, resulting in a richer and tender taste. Batibul satay, a goat satay from the Pantura route, originating from Tegel, Central Java. The name Batibul stands for Bawa Tiga Bulan, referring to the selection of young goat meat. Young goat meat is tender and has less fat, making it easy to process. It is served with soy sauce sambal, similar to other goat satay varieties. Madura satay, the most popular satay dish from Madura Island, East Java. Madura satay is usually seasoned with ground peanuts, shrimp paste, and shallots. It is served with soy sauce, rice cakes, and pickles. The origin of Madura satay is associated with the story of Arya Panole, who introduced the skewered meat dish to Madura. Fly satay, an unusual satay dish from Madura, specifically from the Pamekasan area. Named fly satay because the meat pieces are smaller than regular satay, appearing dark and small after grilling. The skewers for fly satay are smaller to avoid damaging the meat pieces. Lilit satay, a distinctive Balinese satay known for its unique preparation method. Instead of skewering, the meat is wrapped around bamboo or lemongrass sticks. Lilit satay can be made from various meats such as fish, chicken, beef, goat, or pork. The meat, finely ground and seasoned with spices, creates a spicy flavor without the use of soy sauce or peanuts. As a culinary dish close to the local culture, lilit satay is sometimes used in religious rituals. Let us pause for a moment to reflect on the extensive and vibrant journey of satay culinary across the archipelago. From every skewer and diverse array of samples, an intricate history is woven, marking the cultural diversity and flavors of Indonesia. Satay, more than just a skewered piece of meat, is a narrative of encounters and transformations. With the arrival of Tamil and Gujarat traders in the 19th century, satay transcended being merely a dish. It became a window to a world where taste, aroma, and delectability harmoniously unite, tempting the palate. From the richly spiced satay padang to the unique fly satay from Madura Island, each bite is an adventure into an uncountable culinary treasure. The simplicity of Solo and Yogyakarta's kare satay, reminiscent of the greatness of creativity within limitations, to the distinctiveness of Bali's lilit satay, embracing traditional elements in every tender twist. In its variety, satay teaches us that diversity is wealth. It invites us to celebrate differences, to savor the delights of each region represented in every skewer. In every grilled piece of meat, local wisdom is embedded, guiding us beyond taste, leading us to an experience that engages all our senses. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. Let us continue to savor the delights and beauty of Indonesia through other special dishes. One satay skewer, one story, and thousands of flavors awaiting discovery. Enjoy, and may each dish reflect the beauty and richness of Indonesia. Thank you.